thank you all. I just wanna thank you all. Thank you all. I just wanna thank you all. Thank you all. Guys, that was officially my thank you song. Please don't laugh at the voice. Listen to the message. The message is more important, which is just me thanking you guys, thanking all those who believed in me, thanking all those who encouraged me through this journey I just begun. It's been a huge challenge for me because I've never done anything this daring before. So honestly, I had a lot of anxiety. I felt a lot of nervousness in me that moment I was about sending this video to the world, but the feedback I've gotten so far, man, it's
like many people told us supposed to have started this like yesterday, like a year ago.
But God's time has always and will always remain the best. I guess it was in His timing for me to have begun yesterday, being the 24th of November 2021. So for all those who are new to the channel or who are seeing me for the very first time, my name is Christel Tangem, a Cameroonian YouTuber based in Douala. Currently, this is my second video, so I will plead with you that if you haven't watched the first video already, it will be linked. It will be linked somewhere here, Sha. One of these places, I'll put the link there. Please do ensure to watch. Please do ensure to support your girl. I really want to stay. I really want to. And I'm so super grateful for all those who have subscribed. Please don't only subscribe, make sure you watch it, make sure you comment, and make sure you involve others, like you convince your friends, relations, spouses, children to subscribe to the channel. I don't want it to be a situation where they only subscribe, but when they subscribe they should as well endeavor to watch, so that we don't have subscribers at this point and level the number of views at this point. Let the two flock together. So please, and it goes the same, it goes the other way too. Don't watch and forget to subscribe. We shouldn't have this number of views and this number of subscribers, so please both go together. When you watch, do endeavor to subscribe. If you subscribe, please do endeavor to watch and convince others to do the same. Also, if you're not following me yet on my socials, here you have my Instagram, and obviously you're going to have my Facebook too. Hit me up, follow me guys. My Instagram, Christel Tangem, my Facebook, Christel Tangem. Let's meet up on the other side and share, learn. So guys, I thank you all so much. I'm filming this video currently 24 hours after putting up the very first video. So I'm hoping you've watched it already, as I said earlier. So I'm hoping you've watched the first video already, and this is me officially saying that as at when I checked, I was at 400 and something views and 4 subscribers. Thank you. So guys, let's get into the matter of the day proper. So guys, today we'll be rearranging my room, because when I wanted to start YouTube, when I moved into this house, I think I've been here for 3 years already, like the deco I did initially, well, I say deco, the arrangement I did initially when I just moved in, nothing had changed for the last 3 years. So I felt like maybe I should do some little adjustment, most importantly as I was about starting YouTube, because I needed to reorganize, at least have a little space where I can where will be my studies, and at the same time maybe a YouTube space kind of a thing. I don't know. So that's what I had in mind, and it officially made me to want to arrange stuff, change a couple of stuffs in the room. So I filmed that, but by then I didn't really know how to use the cameras and everything and how to film properly. So I guess I'll just have to do, for the most part of the video, I'll do a voiceover, but I think it's just easy to understand. I did the best I could do at my level alongside my brothers. So watch the video and so guys, okay, basically this is how the room looked like before its transformation. You could see where my wigs were, where my bags were, how my shoes were organized, and then the stuff you see on the floor were some of the things I bought to help me rearrange the room. You can see my old dressing mirror or table. You could see where the TV initially was, the TV stand. You could see in fact how the floor was, how everything was arranged prior to the reorganization. So I actually had to leave everything at a very scattered state so we could be able to get a taste of the transformation, because why not? Yeah, we all know that chair, right? I just done laundry, so I had some stuff to arrange from there. Yeah, the wardrobe, some bags were hanging there and everything. So it took us a couple of days because the carpenters delayed. We all know how these guys work. So let's see how we do the transformation. Yeah. Hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar, pero la inmadurez me la jugó. Baby, eso no lo quería, no. Yeah. Hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar. Solo una oportunidad, luego me voy. Sería chimba demostrarte quién yo soy, bebé. Soñé que era esos días que tenía tu compañía, desperté y no era como antes. Que los errores de mi vida nunca fueron culpa mía y el destino quiso traicionarme, pero me di cuenta demasiado tarde que por esas vainas te perdí a ti. No estuvo en mi mente hacerte sufrir, ni en mis pesadillas dejarte ir. Qué pena que esto se volvió una condena, eso no me frena, que fueras ajena. Yeah. Hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar, pero la inmadurez me la jugó. Baby, eso no lo quería, no. Yeah. Hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar. Solo una oportunidad, luego me voy. Sería chimba demostrarte quién yo soy, bebé. Okay guys, so at this point I guess you've been able to see everything we were able to do. I know it's not at its best yet, but hopefully with time I'm going to change a couple of other stuff, and as I do, surely I'll take you guys along. So yeah, that's what I could do for now. I just needed something. There was just a particular space I just wanted to create, which was that little study area. Yeah, so I think I was able to do something, though not at a very good state yet, but for a start I'll make do with that. So guys, I hope you enjoy. Please I beg you, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget, most especially to turn on the notification bell, so that, excuse me, by the time we're coming in for the next, by the time I put up the next video, you'll definitely be out the video. So for now we'll end here, and I'm hoping to see you, more friends, more neighbors, more colleagues on this channel on our next video. Thank you so much guys, and love you. Bye bye.